Alright, so this is the microchip crimping method in order to make an LED blink. In this case it's blinking pretty quickly because we're using only 33, I'm sorry, let me zoom this back out. There we go. 33 microfarad capacitor. And we have our 555. Oh, I'm sorry, let me. Yep, microchip right in the middle. And let's see, we have our green LED being powered by our 3 D batteries. We have a top rail, and of course that goes to the positive. We have a negative rail coming down to the negative of the batteries. And of course the neodymium magnets are connecting everything for the power. And then what we have is we have two resistors protecting our microchip, and there is also a resistor to protect our LED. And you're using connectors in the form of paperclips, but also, if you notice, I used the speaker wire just because I didn't really I wasn't really in the mood to use the electrical tape on the paperclip connector, and it was getting a little bit, you see I do have some bent rails in there that I have to straighten. This one right here, sorry. So, you know, it needs some straightening. I did try to make it a little bit too small on this first tutorial demo, you know, but just trying to show you it. It can be made smaller, and it can be made smaller than this, but and of course, you know, there's other ways to configure the circuit, but this is also made on a breadboard, same circuit. Let me zoom in there. Let me put that down. So same thing, 555 timer. 2 resistors up top. One resistor is protecting that LED. You have the negative and then the positive. Let me show you this up a little close. So the microchip itself kind of looks like a spider, right? But it's just, you know, crimped onto 4 reels, which are independent, you see. And then up here, 4 reels. Okay, so let me zoom in here. There we go, focus it, I mean. And this is the blinking LED using the microchip method, the microchip crimping method. And again, if you want to make it blink slower, slower rather, you would increase the capacitance. And if you want to make it blink faster, you will decrease the capacitance. So it's how fast it's charging and discharging that capacitor. And that's all controlled with your microchip. Alright. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun making those circuits. Take care, everyone.